Luckily, everyone survived with only minor injuries. How many more times will we see exotic supercars get smashed up in the hands of overconfident drivers who don't have the necessary skills to handle them at high speed? Unfortunately, judging from the spate of supercar-related accidents we've seen the past few weeks, quite a few, it seems. This latest accident happened in Singapore, leaving a Lamborghini Aventador completely destroyed. As you can see from photos posted by Yahoo Singapore, the crash caused the supercar to roll over and land on its roof. The cause of the accident hasn't been verified, but unfortunately a Mini Cooper and a Toyota Estima Mini Cooper also got caught up in the carnage. According to reports, 3 people were taken to hospital to be treated for minor injuries. As with most supercar accidents, excessive speed was more than likely to blame. A source told CarScoops the speed limit on the road where the accident happened is only 50 km/h, 30 miles per hour, so the Aventador driver must have been flooring it to cause so much damage. The front fascia is wrecked beyond recognition, and there appears to be comprehensive damage to the undercarriage. It looks completely totaled. According to a passerby, around half a dozen police cars and ambulances attended the scene. But police were redirecting traffic. The yellow car was upside down and facing the wrong way. There was another car that knocked over a tree on the road divider, they said. Just a couple of weeks ago, a McLaren 720s was also reduced to a mangled wreck and left abandoned after a spectacular rollover near Las Vegas.